Hey, Jake, I was thinking, we always talk about work and family, but we've never talked much about our friends.
You're right. Let's do it. So, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sophia. We've been friends since college. She's a graphic designer, and she's one of the most creative people I know. What about you?
That's awesome. My best friend is Daniel. We met in high school, and we've been close ever since. He's a software engineer now.
That's great. What makes him your best friend?
He's always there for me, no matter what. We can talk about anything, and he always gives me good advice. What about Sophia?
I feel the same way. She's super supportive and always makes me laugh. Even when I'm having a bad day, she knows how to cheer me up.
That's what a best friend should be like. What do you think someone needs to have to be a good friend?
I think a good friend should be loyal, honest, and fun to be around. What about you?
I agree. For me, a good friend is trustworthy and supportive. Someone I can count on.
Do you prefer to have more male friends or female friends?
I think I have more male friends, but I also have some great female friends. What about you?
I have a mix, but I think I spend more time with my female friends because we relate to each other more.
That makes sense. Do you tell everything to your best friend?
Almost everything. There are some things I keep to myself, but I trust her a lot. What about you?
Same here. Daniel knows most things about me, but I keep some things private.
Do you consider any of your family members as friends?
Actually, yes. My brother and I are really close. We joke around a lot, but I know I can always count on him.
That's great. I consider my mom one of my best friends. I can talk to her about anything, and she always gives me the best advice.
That's amazing. I think family can be great friends too.
Definitely. It's nice to have both good friends and supportive family.
I agree. It was fun talking about this, Emma.
Yeah, let's introduce our best friends one day.
That sounds like a great idea.